Geometry principles, how to approach tough math problems. Imagine standing in front of a puzzle that seems impossible to solve. Sometimes math problems feel just like that, especially in geometry. But don't worry, there are clear steps to make even the hardest problems manageable. First, read the problem carefully. Look at what information is given and what you need to find out. It helps to underline or circle key details. Break the problem into smaller parts if it looks complicated. Focus on one piece at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Drawing a diagram is a must in geometry. It turns abstract words into visual shapes, making it easier to see angles, lines, and relationships. Label everything clearly on your diagram, including known measurements and what you need to find. Next, think about the geometry principles you know. For example, properties of triangles, circles, parallel lines, or polygons. Use these rules to analyze the problem. Write down the formulas that could help, like the Pythagorean theorem for right triangles or area formulas for different shapes. Sometimes, noticing patterns or connections between parts of the problem can give you clues. If you get stuck, try working backward from what you want to find or simplify the problem by ignoring unnecessary details. Keep a list of what you know and what you need to prove or calculate to stay organized. Review your work to catch mistakes. Explaining your reasoning aloud or writing it helps clarify your thinking. If something doesn't add up, check your calculations carefully. If you're still stuck, compare your approach with example problems or solutions to see where you might go wrong. Managing your time is important too. Set small goals for each step and don't spend too long on one part. If a problem seems too tricky, move on and come back later with fresh eyes. Practicing these steps regularly builds confidence. The more you practice drawing diagrams, applying rules, and explaining your work, the better you'll get at solving tough geometry problems. Remember, patience and persistence are key. With time, these strategies will become second nature, and you'll find yourself tackling even the most challenging math questions with ease.